All right. Hey everyone. Today I want to show you my mushroom grow room and just talk a little bit about how it functions and how I'm able to grow mushrooms out of it. So let's go check it out. All right, so it's a little noisy in here, but this is the plenum room. I used to use it as another incubation, but I have other space elsewhere. And it's basically all rigid board and foam cracks. And we have a nice center light there to work. You can click it on and off, just mounted. Then we have just a rack over there with stuff I use. We actually are lucky. We have water in here, and then we also have a mini split unit to give us some, cooling and heating depending on the season. We also have our humidifier box here. So it's just another tote. I have a inline fan basically pushing air through the humidity tub and out through that pipe. It's easy and quick to disassemble and clean. And we have our door to the grow room. So let's check it out. Alrighty, sorry if it's a little noisy, but here's the grow room. Here's just a quick look at it all. We have blocks. This is what it looks like after a big harvest, and we just unloaded a bunch of blocks that were have already been fruited and harvested. So we got some little guys still left there, but yeah, this is a pretty empty grow room currently. And these are some new blocks. They're all on wheelie racks, so you got the wheels there, and it makes it nice and easy to drag the blocks out, restock the shelves, and then bring them back in. So that's pretty much the grow room. It's not big, but was easily scalable. We have rigid board walls, the aluminum foil facing aluminum rigid board, and that just helps with reflection and also easier to power wash the walls. We got our exhaust fan over here, and we have another piece of rigid board kind of holding it up. We actually have a drain over there in the corner, and then we have a little CO2 monitor. And yeah, there's our humidity and a little fan there, an old fan, just basically helping the humidity disperse into the room. But yeah, we'll go more into depth in another video, but that is the grow room there. Got some little pins. Some beautiful mushrooms. The last couple ones that'll be harvested today. All right, another important thing that I built myself was these doors, all made out of wood. Flex sealed the other side so it doesn't get moldy. And yeah, we have a little latch on the other one here to shut it from the inside. Bam. We got mounted temperature control. We got our inline fans blowing in air in here so we can get the mushrooms good air that they need. And that about sums that wall up, these two walls. We got cords coming from the ceilings, hooked up to all our inlines and everything to pull that air over there into the room and out over there into the grow room. Keep in mind, it's not the prettiest grow room, but it works and it grows a lot of mushrooms. So from a business standpoint, that's great. Yeah, would I love to make it super nice? Yeah, it would be nice, but for right now it works good, and this is going to get me to the next point, the next stage. We'll keep on automating and changing things, and I'm excited for the future. We're gonna have some cool videos coming out with some more automation, so stay tuned for that stuff. Excited to share it as well. It's gonna help me out. Hopefully it'll help other people out. So yeah.